Hello everyone, welcome back to this foggy morning. So as you can see, this is a foggy morning. Look here and there around me. There are so many fog spread around me. And now I'm going to my shop in this time. Actually, you know that I'm a shop worker. That's why I am to go my shop every day. So right now, as you can see, I'm walking along this street. Actually, this is our village street. Look behind me. This is our village street, and you can see I'm next to this paddy field. Look, this is a big paddy field over there. Look, there are so many paddy field in this side. Actually, there are so many bundle of paddy. Look, there are so many bundle of paddy here, and in this side, look here, this is a grassland. Actually, this is a hybrid grassland, and I'm here and practicing my English. Actually, I'm a English learner. That's why I have to practice my English every day. So as you can see, in this side there are so many fog. Look here. Actually, the morning is quite foggy, and I would like to show you the condition of this place. Look, there are so many mango trees, and I'd like to show you some paddy seed field. Look here, there are some paddy seed field. Actually, বাংলা হচ্ছে বিচনের ক্ষেত বা বিচনের কাসলা. So look here, there are some paddy seed field, and actually I have come here to visit this field. Actually, the farmer has shown their paddy here, and I'd like to show you behind me. That is a palm tree. Look behind me, there is a palm tree, and in the side there are some mahogany tree over there in a row. This is a mahogany garden. So now I have to go my workplace. So no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, have a good day.